Two huge nights of Big East basketball starting Monday on Fox Sports 1.
Flash of Clans. Download for free.
This is what it's been all about all season long. Pressure is on, the intensity. This is going to be a tug of war all the way to the end. Season championship. This is what the Browns open up the championship. The race is on. To the center. Here we come.
What's in your ear? Ooh, a quarter.
Check for more.
Well, I guess I can double check. My watch.
It pays to double check with